Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Siri name in your iPhone or any iPhone. You can easily change Siri's name and use and how to apply. So let's start the video without wasting time. So firstly, open your settings. So friends, I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your accessibility. Scroll down. So friends, you can see here vocal shortcuts option. So tap on vocal shortcuts. So tap on setup vocal shortcuts and setup vocal shortcuts. Tap continue to agree. So many functions and many options here in the list. So tap on Siri and enter your name you want to change the Siri's name. Suppose that hi Marshall. So tap on go. Say it 3 times. Hey Marshall. Hey Marshall. Hey Marshall. So action is ready. iPhone will listen for hi Marshall and perform action Siri. So tap on continue and improve accessible voice features. So don't share. So go back. So friends, check the Siri's function. Hi Marshall. So friends, you can see here Siri is listening hi Marshall. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to change Siri's name in any iPhone with iOS 18.1 or any iOS in your iPhone device. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates or any questions. So comment on my this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.